everyone out there, it's Christina from the Glaser Tutoring Company, and today I got a good one for you because today we're talking all about polynomials, everyone's favorite. Is it your favorite? It's my favorite. Maybe, a little bit, not even. That's okay. But after this video, what we're going to be doing is easy peasy lemon squeezy, and today we're going to be identifying the degree of a polynomial. Okay, well, let's first just identify what this question is actually talking about, right? What is a degree? Now, when we're talking about degrees, another way of thinking about this is talking about a leading coefficient. So degrees of a polynomial comes from the leading coefficient. Can I spell? I think so. Coefficient? Sure. Now, leading coefficient, just think about it in terms of if you're the leader, you're the highest one, right? Highest one on the pyramid. So in this case, a leader is the highest exponent. So that's all that we're looking at here. If you want to find out that degree, all we got to do is just find out the highest exponent in this polynomial. Now, a polynomial just means that you have more than two terms. And in this case, we have 7x, we have negative minus 2x squared, and we have just a 13. This number doesn't have any x value, so it's classified as a different term. So you have one that has just an x, you have another one that has an x squared, and you have just a number. That's a polynomial. But now we just want to find out the degree of this. So if you want, you can rearrange it, but no need necessary. Just look for those highest exponents. And the exponent is going to be the one that's on the x value or the variable, because sometimes they might give you p's or q's or y's, right? In this case, we have our variable as the x. And all we're doing is we're looking for that biggest number up on the top, the exponent. So it comes down to either the x value or the x squared. Anything that's just an x, right? This is just raised to the first. And here, the x is raised to the second. Which one is the leader? The highest one. This is the leading coefficient. And if you find out, or if you just found out the leading coefficient, you know what the degree is because it's the same number. So in this case, yeah, you got it right. The degree is second degree, or you could say it's a 2. Either way is fine with me. And that's it. See, I told you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. What'd you think? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for being a part of the community. And we have thousands of videos out there for you guys, for you to enjoy and to use and to, study from and ace your quizzes or test. So thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.